Hello, Team Nox here, and today we will showcase our engine's overall features, which is named the Nox Engine. The engine supports basic functionalities you would expect from a game engine. It also includes a set of neat features, such as full-screen shaders, animation editing, Lua scripting, and a small audio engine. To start the demonstration, we will begin with the asset loading system. The user can simply drag and drop objects from the list of predefined objects like a sphere or a cube and use them. Or you can import your own complex objects instead. Objects in the scene can be moved, scaled, rotated using widgets. You can also inspect object properties in the Inspector panel. Our engine supports importing animation from files such as FBX files and display them in the animation sequencer. The animations are imported into an animation component, which later can be edited and modified. The animation component uses a frame-based animation system, and a user can create and edit their own animations. The frames are interpolated linearly between each frame. Our engine supports full-screen shaders as a form of post-processing. You can import your own OpenGL fragment shaders and use them in the post-processing. The input to the fragment shaders can be specified by the user, and you can use multiple inputs to the same fragment shader. And for the cherry on top, the shaders are hot reloadable. The engine also supports typical cube skyboxes, and they use the same hot reloading system as the shaders. The engine also supports camera as a component, which means the camera can be attached to other objects, and the user can freely switch between them to view from the object's perspective. The audio engine supports 3D spatial audio. That means using a pair of headphones you can tell the audio source's location relative to the listener. The engine also supports audio occlusion, which means putting a wall between the audio source and the listener will occlude the audio source. The audio engine also allows the user to apply audio effects in a chain. You can freely reorder the audio effects in the chain. Here we apply a distortion first to create a noisy output. You can attach Lua scripts to objects as script components, and in those scripts you have access to the internals of the entity, and you can change its position, its rotation, or scaling, and its other properties. The script files are again hot reloaded. This concludes the overall features for the Nox Engine. Thank you for watching.